Welcome to the UITFX. Today, we're diving into an important topic, the difference between trading and gambling. While both involve risk and potential rewards, they are fundamentally different. Let's explore how. Trading is the act of buying and selling financial instruments like stocks, bonds, commodities, or currencies with the aim of making a profit. Traders analyze market trends, economic data, and financial reports to make informed decisions. There are various strategies in trading, including technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and algorithmic trading. Each strategy involves careful planning, risk management, and continuous learning. On the other hand, gambling involves betting money on events with uncertain outcomes, primarily based on chance. Common forms of gambling include casino games, sports betting, and lotteries. Unlike trading, gambling doesn't rely on detailed analysis or strategy. The outcome is unpredictable and often left to luck. Let's break down the key differences. 1. Analysis and strategy. Traders use detailed analysis and strategic planning to make informed decisions. This reduces risk and increases the likelihood of profitable outcomes. 2. Risk management. Traders employ risk management techniques like stop-loss orders and diversification to protect their investments. 3. Time horizon. Trading can involve short-term or long-term investments, with traders often holding positions for days, weeks, or even years. Gambling outcomes are immediate and short-term. 4. Probability and control. In trading, while outcomes can never be guaranteed, probabilities can be calculated and controlled. In gambling, the outcome is largely out of the player's control and dependent on luck. However, there are some common misconceptions that trading is similar to gambling because both involve risk. However, the key distinction lies in the informed decision-making process in trading versus the reliance on chance in gambling. At UITFX, we emphasize education and informed trading. We provide resources and tools to help our clients make educated decisions, reducing risk and maximizing potential returns. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips. Remember, trading is about informed decision-making and strategy, not luck. Stay informed, trade smart. Visit us at uitfx.com for more information and start your trading journey with confidence.